What's going on, guys? My name is Collin.
And I'm Bianca, and we are so excited you guys came across this video. We can't wait to share with you guys how we are straight out of college and we are using Isagenix as pretty much our steady income, and it's allowing us to pay our rent, it's allowing us to travel, it's allowing us to spend more time together. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. It's completely transformed our life and we want to transform yours.
Yeah, and even if you want to do it as a side hustle, you want to keep your job that you have right now, it allows you to have a lot more freedom, allows you to pay off your student loans if you're fresh out of college. So we want to share with you all the opportunities that we have to offer you right now.
And exactly how you can make money while you sleep. Alright, so we're going to be drawing out the compensation plan. There are multiple ways you get paid throughout Isagenix. We're going to kind of give you guys the basic ways, and then we're going to make videos coming forward to explain other ways as well. So just to give you guys an idea of where we're going to be writing, here's you, here's after you've signed up, you are an associate. Over here I'm going to be talking about the bonus money, and then over here we're also going to be telling you about how you earn money.
So let's say this is you, you're brand new to Isagenix, and you started with your 2 accountability partners. That makes you a crystal consultant as long as you do it within the first 30 days. And if you do it within the first 30 days, you get a $150 bonus that Isagenix is going to pay you. But now let's say those 2 people decided they need accountability partners as well. So then you've now created 2 consultants. And once you create 2 consultants, you become what's called a crystal manager. And a crystal manager is normally completed within the first 60 days if you want that bonus. And that bonus is going to be $250.
Before that bonus, since you turn 2 people consultant, each consultant you turn, you get $100 for that. So before I go ahead and add the $250, which is going to be your bonus for rank advancing, I'm going to add $200. So right now you're sitting at $350. Plus now we're going to incorporate that rank advancement bonus. So that's another $250. So now you're looking at a $600 paycheck.
So now, let's say you're thinking about the next rank advancement. You need 4 more consultants that you need to bring in. So 4 more people you enroll that have their accountability partners. And with each one of those, you're getting another $100. So that's $400 just based off the consultants you brought in.
Now since you have 6 consultants, you're about to rank advance again to Crystal Director. Just like you got a bonus with Crystal Manager, you're getting another bonus with Crystal Director on top of adding another $400 for each of these new 4 consultants. So I'm going to go ahead and add $400.
And then you're going to get $750 for becoming a Crystal Director. And the bonus for Crystal Director is $750, and that's as long as you get it and reach that mark by 4 months of being an Isagenix member.
So you were sitting at $1,000 just by promoting consultants, and then once you add that $750 bonus, now you're sitting at $1,750.
That's not it. So let's say you don't want to stop there and you want to rank advance again. So you're going to bring in 4 more consultants. So 4 more members again that they need their accountability partners as well. So now that's another $400 you're bringing in just by signing them up and them having their partners. But then you also get another bonus. And this time the rank is Crystal Executive. Now you have 10 consultants altogether signed up beneath you and you've hit that mark. She's adding that $400 for all the consultants you just signed up.
So $1,750 plus the $400, you're sitting at $2,150. Plus, on top of that, like Collin said, now you're getting a $1,000 bonus, and you're sitting at $3,150. So just by promoting consultants, you get $100. Then by rank advancing, you get another promotion. So if you're looking at it, every one of these that I star is a promotion that you got. So you also got the promotion for $750, and you also got the promotion for $1,000.
So, and the other thing to really remember and keep in mind is as soon as you sign up, you want to start chasing these goals, because you hit this in the first 30 days, and that's when you can get that bonus. You hit this in the first 60 days, that's when you can get that bonus. This one, 4 months, and then Crystal Executive is 6 months.
Everybody knows people that eat, you guys.
All you're doing with this system is replacing the meals that you're taking in every single day, and if you really think about it, there's so much processing going on in the foods you eat every single day, so this is a much healthier alternative.
So not only are you going to be making a great income, but you're going to be fueling your body with amazing nutrition in the process. You guys have seen my results. If you haven't, go check out my Instagram. Collin's going through a cut right now. He's sharing his progress with you guys. We are solely sticking to these products. We will never use anything again. And after seeing the opportunity it gives you with the business side of the company,
how much money you can make and all the things you can do on top of that
while you sleep. There's this one quote that we really like. Warren Buffett said it. You can't find a way to make money while you sleep. You're going to be working until the day you die. And I know that is not what we want to do. We want to be able to travel. I know one day we're going to have kids. We want to be able to provide for our kids.
We want to be there for our kids.
Exactly.
So many different things that this gives you the accessibility to do from home, being able to travel, being able to do whatever you want.
Yeah. So, I mean, we're 22 and we're making this decision for us. There's no age limit. You can do this whatever age you want. It's just you deciding if you want to make that change for you in your life and if you're willing to work for it. All right, so you guys just saw how you get paid by rank advancing. That's just one of 5 ways you can get paid with Isagenix. We're going to show you the second way, and that's how you get paid by cycling. So we're going to go ahead and start off with you again in the middle.
And remember, cycling is what we refer to when you're talking about getting paid while you sleep.
We're also going to talk about something called business volume. So, as you know, because you've already ordered your pack, you ordered a certain amount of business volume. It's also something that equates to points. So it's just how many points each pack's worth or how many points each person signs up with. So every time we refer to business volume, just referring to the amount of points that somebody purchased.
Every time you purchase something monthly, you're accumulating points underneath your own account, not just from what other people buy.
So you started off, remember your 2 accountability partners. This is how you start off.
And remember, you're going to break it down the middle for this. So you have a left team and a right team.
So I'm going to go ahead and put team left and team. And what's cool about Isagenix is you have 2 teams or 2 legs, however you want to refer to it. You don't have to build 10, you don't have to build 20, you're just building those 2 the whole time. You all just go down, which you saw earlier, but it's all staying within those 2 sides. So it's pretty cool because you only have to worry about 2 legs, which is pretty much a gift that Isagenix gave us compared to other companies. We're really thankful for it.
Well, and now think about it like this. Just like before, we were asking for 2 people who can be your accountability partners. So go ahead and draw the 2 people. And then let's just keep going. So let's say this guy gets a person he can do it with, and then he gets a person, and then it just keeps going. And then you enroll another person and you want to put it on your left side.
And then you start taking off on your right side as well. So then you start enrolling more people. And then someone that you enrolled on your right side also starts taking off. And then they start enrolling some more people.
So now let's just look at this guy right here. And let's just say, for example, his name is Bob. So Bob is killing it. He started selling like crazy, and then all of a sudden this extra leg pops out because just like you, Bob also has 2 legs, but his left is your left. So if he's pulling people on his left leg, it's going to keep going down on your side. And same thing with this. This also is your left leg.
What's also crazy is that you only know the people in the red. The people in the blue, you didn't even personally enroll, but the way Isagenix works is that you make 6% off of everybody beneath you, which is what we're going to keep explaining.
Yep. So now you want to look at all of these bubbles, and each one of them represents a person that's buying business volume or the products. So let's just say, for example, this person bought 300 worth of products. If it's my brother, he really wanted to go off with the system. Then my sister, for example, she bought 100 worth of the product. She wants to try it out and see what it does. Then these people each got 100. And then this one got 200, this one got 100. So we're going to count up the points we have up here, and then Bob, let's say he ordered 200. And now we're going to look at all that. So when you cycle, you need 600 on one side and 300 on the other. It doesn't matter which leg has either one of them, but the computer is going to automatically know, and it's going to add the points where it needs to go.
We're going to add up the business volume for this week. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now you have 700 business volume on your left side. Then you have 400 in business volume on your right side. So if you can see over here, it really doesn't matter how many points you have on each side. But since you have 700, we're going to go ahead and take 600 out of that because you only needed 600 to cycle. And you have 100 left over. And then same for this side. You needed 300, but you have 400. You're going to subtract 300 out of that. You have 100 left over. Since you met both of those requirements, that equals 1 cycle,
which is $54. And one other thing you really want to keep note of is that this 100 extra points, other companies are normally just going to get rid of that at the end of every week. But with Isagenix, it cycles down into the next week. So that's going to get added into your business volume for the following week.
So they're not forgetting all that hard work you put in. That was just one cycle, but you can cycle multiple times in a week. Every time you have 600 points on one side and 300 points on the other, multiple times during the week, you can keep cycling. You could get 10 cycles in a week. You could get 20 cycles in a week. Imagine 20 times 54. Do you know how much that is? I don't. How much is that? I don't have a corporate America job. See, even you don't have to be smart to do this, guys. Okay.
So let's say your goal is to make $1,000 a week. That's going to be 20 cycles. So if you multiply 54 times 20, that's going to equal $1,080.
I'm pretty sure you could live off that income right out of college.
Yeah, you could. Right now, we've just shown you a small example of what this can do, but really, if you think about it in the grand scheme of things, if you keep working this business and you keep going after like 2 years, for example, if you're really killing it in the business and you are just trailblazing, and you cycle 250 times a week, it's going to be $13,500 that you're making a week, because this is your business center, and your business center can cycle up to 250 times.
And that's not even all you're making, because there's 5 ways to get paid. That's just one of them. So that's $13,500 a week. That's not even counting the video that we just did about earning money through rank advancement. That's not even counting the other videos that we haven't even shown you guys about how to make money. So
think about it.
just a quick disclaimer, none of this money is guaranteed. All of this you have to work for. This is not a get-rich-quick kind of situation. I don't know of any company that's a get-rich-quick situation, and if you want this so bad for yourself, you can do this. We're showing you what's possible.
And the great thing about this is it's all independent. You're not having to work under someone else. You're not having to wait to get a rank advancement, which would be a bonus at a job. You're not having to wait for all those things. It's literally all in your hands. So it's all about the work you put in is what you're going to get out of this.
Yeah, you're your own boss, so you decide your off days, you decide your off time, you decide your lunch breaks, you decide what advancement you're going for, you decide how many cycles you want to try and go for a week.
Yeah, it's dedication and hard work, guys, and anyone can do it.
So that's just number 2. Stay tuned for the other ways you can get paid coming soon.